Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbox a brand new case for my iPhone 7. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, got a beautiful pattern around the camera lens, just for protect the camera lens. This case is compatible for iPhone 7, 8, SE 2020 and SE 2022 as well, but it won't fit on the 6S and 6. Just a camera size isn't same, a bit smaller and a bit up for the iPhone 6 and 6S. The price just 6 ringgit only. It's a very cheap price. Let's unbox. So here's the case, fully black. Jet black around here, matte black on the case, including on the side. Let's install on my iPhone 7. Very easy to install, just like that. It looks beautiful and perfect, all black. Buttons are easy to press, easy to switch silent and normal one. So here's the new case for my iPhone 7. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unbox a brand new case for my iPhone 7 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and see you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.